Okay, dear student, welcome to SST class. Today we'll discuss the remaining part of your SST third number chapter. Uh, the topic name was our world, not our food. The remaining part was do not waste food. So already we have discussed the before the food of famous or favorite in different state in different area, and why the people are changing their food, their taste, their influence other food due to moving one place to another state, one state to another state for business, education, or living. So that also. So we'll discuss now the do not waste food. Raju went to birthday party. Raju just went to birthday party. In generally, we are also going to attend any birthday party. He picked up a plate and filled it up. He just pick up a plate and filled up in plate. He ate only a small portion and put his plate down. He just ate small portion, and what are the food left over the plate, he just uh, uh, down the plate. Suresh did not like this. Suresh was observing to Raju, and Suresh did not like it. He said, why did you waste so much food? uh, Asked Suresh to Raju, and you should take only a small portion and then take some more. Then Raju was listening, and Suresh was saying to Raju, you should take small portion, and when there is a need, then you can take another small portion, and like this, you take some more food. Otherwise, you should not waste the food. If you want, Raju felt sorry and promised never to waste food. Definitely, we want this thing, because someone is doing mistake, so that he should and she should say sorry and promise to never waste like this food, because wasting of food is very dangerous. People are now also not getting two meals, two rotis in a day, and they're dying in starvation. There are very many people are living in poverty like this. So student, uh, there was an there was a research study regarding the waste of food. Around $3 trillion of rupee dollars uh, of money is just destroying for food waste in the world. Some people waste food. They are neither ready, greedy or sorry. Some people waste food. They are either greedy or thoughtless. They're either greedy and thoughtless. Who waste the food? Definitely, they are like a greedy people or thoughtless people. So that doing like this, many children do not finish their tiffin that they bring to school. Many students in our school also, they are not finishing their tiffin, and just they are left the food in their tiffin, and that is wasting. They should not waste food. Means children and everybody should not use waste the food. There are many people in our country who are very poor and cannot buy food. Yes, student, this is right. Many people in our country, many citizen of our nation, they are living in poverty. They are very poor. They are not getting two roti or two meal in a single day or so, and they are living in starvation. They are living in a poverty and dying in poverty also. Moreover, nature gives us food to eat. Moreover, thank God, God and nature's given us food, and we're just eating, not to waste. But God, nature never give us to waste the food. We must become responsible and never waste food. So we must be responsible and never should waste food. If anyone is in front of us wasting the food, we should suggest them, we should say them, so to do not with the food. Water and electricity also very important, and we should not waste this. Water should be saved. Electricity or energy, electric energy should be saved. Then the next generation and for other, it will be easy, because the population is growing and the consumption also growing. We must eat a balanced diet. We must eat a balanced diet to remain healthy and happy. So five principles of food. Five principles of foods. Like buy only what you need. Okay, buy only what you need. Then cook it with love. Cook with love. This one. Then serve it beautifully. Serve it beautifully. Then eat a balanced diet. Then take only as much as need. Never waste food. Okay. Then today we'll discuss the some of the answers. Something to do. We'll do now. Something to do. You just read the question. Okay. Uh, Take the correct option. Something to do. Question number one: what is the food speciality of West Bengal? This is the food speciality of West Bengal. Uh, Food speciality of West Bengal. Not coming. Wait, I'm taking a pen. Okay, this is food. What is the food speciality of West Bengal? Fish and rice. Then the staple diet of Punjab is chapati. Then the vegetables that can be eaten cooked as well as raw, that is carrot. The spices, the spice that is commonly eaten fresh is ginger. Okay, the spices that commonly eaten. Okay, not this is spice. This is a clove. Elias. This one. Not this is ginger. This one. Okay. So we'll the spices that is commonly eaten fresh is clove. So we'll do the next question. Next question, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. We'll do. Just I am erasing it. And taking the pen. Okay. Food habit of people depend on decks uh, and crop grown in that area. That is climate. This one. Climate. Okay. Climate. You have to write climate. Then we get milk from animal. This is 2 number. Animals. People of Rajasthan use a great variety of pickle. People of Rajasthan use a great variety of pickle. This is 3 number. 3 number. Then most spices are decks and used. Most spices are dried and used. This is the 4 number, dried. 4 number. Then last one, we get most food item from plants. This is the 5th number. 5th number. So this was you have done. Then come to next question. Then next to come next question. Match the following. Match the following. I'm taking the erasers and to like this. Okay, Kolkata. Kolkata is famous. Here, Rosgola. D. Kolkata is famous. Rosgola. Ganesh Chaturthi is famous. E. Malak. Punjab. Punjab is famous. सरसों का भाजी. Punjab is famous. सरसों का भाजी. Then Tamil Nadu is famous. Tamil Nadu is famous. Dosa. Then Kashmir is famous. Kashmir is famous. Gostava. This was the match the following. Then student, okay, we'll move to next question. D part answer. That is your D part answer. We'll move to next. Okay. Why are the food habit of people changing? Why are the food habit of people changing? The answer will be here. Why are the food habit of people are changing? The answer is here. People are living from one state to another state. People are living from one state to another state for living, business, and education. Okay, for living, for living, living, business, and education. For living and business, education, people are moving from one place to one state to another state for living, business, and education, so that the food habit of people are changing. Okay, so this was the answer of the first question. Then second question, name 3 food items that we get plant. Name 3 food items that we get from plant. We are getting the food item from plant: dal, then rice, then wheat. These are the 3 items we are getting uh, from plant. We are getting from plant. List 2 factors that influence the food habit of people. list the two factor. This is factor one is taste of the people. First point is list two factors that influence the food habit of people. In this case, the answer of will be the first answer is taste of the people will change the habit of the people. Then or food. Then second point is one place to another place, moving also changes the food habit and according to taste. The next question, the name three food item that we get from animal. Three food item we get from animal. That is number one is milk we are getting uh, as a food from animal, from cow, and dahi also we are getting like this. Meat also we are getting from animals. These are the three food item that we get from animals. Then fifth number question, why is it important not to waste food, water and electricity? Write 2 points for each. Here answer will, yes, it is very much important to save food, electricity or energy and water, because growing population and limit of food, water and electricity is there. Okay, the answer is what? For the repeating, yes, it is very much important to save food, energy and water, because growing population and limit of food, water and electricity, number one point. And second point is waste of food, water and electricity will create problem in future. It will happen to die, because uh, the population is growing more and consumption is growing more. So it was your answer of the D persons. uh, and now we'll go for next question. Here look, the value based question. There is a paragraph given. Renu is not playing with the other children on the swings. She is standing in a corner and not talking to anyone. Her friend want to know the reason for her sadness, but she does not want to tell them that no one in her family had eaten anything since morning. Her her mother does not have a permanent job. He is a daily wager. He, sorry, her father does not have a permanent job. He is a daily wager. He has not been able to find any work for the last 1 week. He does not have money to buy food. You just think Renu is not playing with the other children, and she is standing, because she is standing near a corner and not talking anyone. She is silent. Her friends want to know the reason for her sadness. She was looking very sad, and her friend want to know the reason for her sadness. And finally they can know, or they, okay, they came to know that uh, she is in hungry, because uh, no one in her family had eaten anything since morning. Her father does not have a permanent job. He is a daily wager. If work will not get, then how the father will earn the money? During lockdown of corona pandemic, many migrant laborer, they did not get job, and they were also facing same thing, and many people came to help them, and they got the help. He has not been able to find any work for the last 1 week. Means her father. and he does not have money to buy food. So they don't have okay, he does not have money to buy food. Here, so this was the a paragraph, and given some question, we'll do the answer. How can you help children like Renu? Renu, like a student and any person is standing near in front of us, and we have some of the strength and ability to help them. Okay, whatever it may be, through providing food, to giving the monies. In this way, we should, okay, help them by providing food, by providing some facilities, and like this, if she is unable to going to school, then we should talk to our parents, and parent will talk to principals, and they should help to joining in school also. In this way also we can help, like the Renu, or okay, whatever it may be. Then second question, what type of help can your parent provide for Renu's family? What type of help can your parents provide for Renu's family? Definitely our parents should provide the help to or for Renu's family, like providing some job opportunities by talking some other institution or the NGOs, and some any what of the work is okay, available in market, in showrooms, any shopkeeper, uh, okay, if there is any needed, so we should engage their family member, any one of the family member, to earn money or to maintain their family. Like this way will help the okay, Renu's family. Then thirdly, the third question, narrate an incident where you have helped someone. How did it make you feel? uh, if you have helped anyone, and that type of incident happened with you, then you can, okay, explain. Suppose someone, okay, one of the student, uh, he was poor, and he was unable to uh, going to appear a examination because he has not, or he had not money at that time. He begged me help, so I've given 500 rupees and helped him. Then by taking the 500 rupee, he went to appear the entrance examination. Later he uh, got the entrance and joined in PhD. You just think, it was one of the incident of me. I help like this. If you have any incident to help someone, like in this case, then you can narrate it. How did it make you feel happy, that you can narrate it. Okay. Then mapping skill. On a political map of India, color and left, uh, okay, Punjab, West Bengal, Jammu and Kashmir, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. You take a political map, and you just color, uh, okay, on map, or indicate on map, where is Punjab, West Bengal, in the east, then Punjab in west, okay, northwest, then Jammu Kashmir on north, Maharashtra near Madhya Pradesh, then Tamil Nadu in south. You just do it. Okay. Then next, something to do. List three methods by which you can avoid wastage of food. List three methods by which you can avoid waste of food, water, and paper at home. Organize a special launch party where each child brings some special dish of his state, community, or family. The first question, list three methods by which you can avoid waste food, water, and paper at home. What are method? One method is for wasting of food. We should avoid, like we should take a small portion of uh, food to eat. Then we cannot, or we do not waste the food. Then water, how we save? We just use the necessary water in a bucket or any utensil, then the water will not waste and will use according to need. Then paper at home, we should uh, use the paper if necessary. Otherwise, we should nowadays the technology is more we are using through the technology we can use. We should say also paperless work also we can do. Then organize a special lunch party where each child bring some special dish of his state, community, and family. So this is in your school also you can organize. You can okay make a group and you can test the different food of different student. They are also belonging from different state or different areas. The test will be differ. You can check it in your school also. Plan a menu for your family, keeping in mind the need of children as well as the grown up people. To plan a menu, what are the menus should be there and how you can manage these things. And we are doing like this in birthday party or marriage party or some of the special day or festival day we are doing. So these things you have to do in book. Breakfast, uh, in breakfast what are the menus should be there: chapati, roti, anda or egg, whatever it may be you can mention. Lunch, in lunch you can make chicken, mutton, what. Dinner you can make biryani, whatever it may be according to your taste and preference you can make the food. Then riddle, guess the name of the state. Riddle, guess the name of the state. Here you are eating Purnapali, Puranpali, you are in Puranpali. If you are eating Puranpali, then you are in Kerala, sorry, Karnataka. In Karnataka. Karnataka, Puranpali in Karnataka. Then you are drinking Thukpa. Thukpa, then that means you are in Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. If you are eating uh, dhokla, you are in Gujarat. Dhokla means you are in Gujarat. Okay. Then you are eating avial, you are in Kerala. Like this, you can. So once again, you are eating Puran means Karnataka, Thukpa means Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh, uh, Dhokla you are eating means Gujarat, and Avial you are eating means in Kerala. The list 4 steps that can ensure healthy eating habit in your family. List 4 steps that you can ensure uh, the healthy habit in your family. You have to do it. Healthy habit like eating food and less spices food item. Like this you can mention according to you and write in your book. Okay, so this was the answer of the third chapter, and next we will do your fourth number chapter. We have already finished the third number chapter, our food. So for today, this is too much. Thank you, and have a nice day. Okay. So bye bye. Thank you to all of you.